Now, today in today's tutorial, what we are going to learn. So basically, we are going to adding suggestions during the search bar. Okay, in this tutorial, we will add list of programming language as suggestions, a list of programming languages. Okay, as suggestions to a search bar. We will implement this both statically and dynamically. So in today's tutorial, we are going to first do it statically, then we'll also do it dynamically also. So I'll show you the difference why we need to do this. Okay, so this is the views.py file. Make sure you get this line from Django.http import JSON response or HTTP response. Okay, so let me define a function get query. Define get query, which takes request as a parameter. Request as a parameter, then q is equal to request dot get request dot get, yes, then return HTTP response of q. So I have left this blank. Okay, so what you need to do, you can move to the urs.py file and define path is equal to get query, then views dot get query, and the name is equal to get query. So basically you will define get query. Okay, good. So now this is our form. Okay, so we have not defined the action. We can define the action. %url get query. So this looks good. So yes, good. So yeah, now this is our form. So basically we need to define suggestions during the search. So we'll define a list. First we'll do it statically. So I'll tell you how this works, what is the function. Then we will implement this dynamically. So I'll tell you the difference of why we should what is the difference of doing it statically and dynamically. So yeah, here you can define a data list. Okay, and you can give id is equal to languages. I hope this is fine. So you can define option value is equal to Python. Okay, uh, okay, you can have a option for the simplicity. I'll have a right now I'll do this way. Option value is equal to Python. Then what we can do, option value is equal to Python. We can do PHP as well. Good, right? Then we can do option value is equal to PHP, then option value is equal to Perl. Good. Then option value is equal to Perl, then option value is equal to, let me have a programming. Okay, good. Then I'll do one thing. Option value is equal to C. Good. Then in the same way I'll do C++. Okay. Then you can click on format document. So you can right click on format document to get the HTML page on the right track. Okay, then so this is the option value is equal to C++. And then I'll show you one thing. Let me type one more option as well. JavaScript. Yeah, good. And one more option I'll do, that is Java. Yeah, good. So format document. Yeah, good. So basically this is the data list we have to define, but we need to track this data list to an input. So we'll define input list is equal to languages. Okay, so basically yeah, and we can define class is equal to form control. So this is a bootstrap class. Okay, and I'll refresh this page. Yeah, good. So this looks good, and we can do what we can do. uh, Let me try this style. The style works on this. Let me do margin bottom is equal to 1 rem. Let me check if the style bottom 1 rem. Good. Yes, the style tags works on the input. Okay, so we have a list here. Let me type J here. So as soon as I type J, I get JavaScript and Java. Then I'll let the caps lock on. Let me have a caps lock. Then here this works fine. JAVA, now S. Okay, as I type JAVAS, JavaScript is there, but Java isn't there. Okay, so actually this data list works in all the ways, like a prefix, suffix, or substring match. So let me type P here. Here I have got Python, PHP, Perl programming, but you must be thinking why I've got a JavaScript. This makes a substring match. Okay, so let me type PR, I get programming, PH, PHP, PY, Python. Okay, because there was a single P in the end, so it makes a substring match. Okay, so to make this clear, what I can do, I'll show you one example. Okay, let me do with C++. Okay, let me do with this with the small c. The small c matches both the C++. Okay, JavaScript as well. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, so if the user want to select, if they don't write anything, they can simply click on this drop down arrow. They'll get all the options here. Okay, so let me give you one example. Option value is equal to Django, Python, yes. Okay, and one option I would give you, machine learning. Okay, so this is using Python as well. So I'll format the document and I'll refresh this page. So I'll type Python. So okay, you can see here the Python is in starting and here it is in the end. So it matches the substring, prefix, or suffix. So yeah, here you can see the Python, Django, Python, machine learning, Python. Okay, so I'll click on Python. I'll click submit. Okay, uh, I have not defined a get query, voting app get query. So okay, good. So here you need to define name is equal to languages. Okay, so I'll do Python. Yes, language is equal to Python. Then I'll define languages here. So this should work. Now this should work, I hope. Yes, now it works perfectly fine. So I have returned an HTTP response. So but now here you can see we did all this statically. So we can't keep on typing this option value, option value, option value. Maybe there might be a point we have changed this list. There might be updation. So we need to change this. We'll do this dynamically in the next tutorial. So I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.